So now we've talked about Jack's diagnosis, what he deals with on a daily basis with his complications, what school is like for Jack, and then his IEP goals. So let's talk a little bit about some other parts of education that would be important for Jack, such as friends and social development. Jack does have a lot of friends. Mainly they are friends that are my friends' children. He also has some special needs friends that we've met along our journey. The little boy in the picture with Jack is Jackson. He also has lissencephaly, so his mom and I have been able to relate, and those two have spent some time together. Jack has friends such as Lee and Landon, I grew up with Lee and Landon's mom and aunt. Ella's pictured in the other top corner. They were doing an art project together. And then some co-workers' children are there as well, the Petty boys, so they enjoy spending time with Jack too. And he has other special needs friends that don't have the same diagnosis as him, but can relate to kind of what each other's going through. Jack's nonverbal, so kids see him very differently. He is able to have fun though, and you can tell when he's happy and having a good time. So it's important, I think, for Jack to have friends, and I think it's also important for other children to kind of see what disabilities are like and how to be a better friend to someone that is a little bit different than you. We try to do normal things with Jack. We've gone to Disney with him. It was amazing to see him be able to ride some rides in his wheelchair. They have such specialized rides there. It was awesome. We've gone to the beach. We take little trips. We go to the zoo or the aquarium. We take him out to eat with us. He does love to swim, and he loves to watch TV and just be around people. He is generally a happy guy. Now that we've talked all about Jack, what do you think are the pros and cons of sending Jack to school? So in the next discussion, you're going to respond to this, and we're going to talk about what is positive about sending him to school and what's negative about sending him to school. It's a tough decision, and it's good to look at all sides.